Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will create the top cover of the pneumatic cylinder. For that, I select top plane, sketch, normal. I will select rectangle command, center rectangle, draw one rectangle here. Right click, select option, smart dimension. This side, dimensions 165.10. Right click, select option, select this line and this line. Make equal. Our sketch is fully defined. Come back from the sketch. Features, extruded boss base feature and extrude it up to 50.8. Select OK. Now select this face, sketch, normal, select circle command, draw one circle here, right click, select option, smart dimension, diameter of this circle 80 mm, right click, select option, come back from the sketch, features, extruded boss base feature and extrude it up to 52 mm. Select OK. Now select this face, sketch, normal, select circle, draw one circle here, right click, select option, smart dimension, diameter of this circle 64 mm, right click, select option, come back from the sketch, extruded cut up to 28 mm, select OK. Now select this face, sketch, normal, again select circle command, draw one circle here, right click, select option, smart dimension 60 mm, right click, select option. Extruded cut. From here select offset 28 mm, reverse direction up to 22 mm. Select OK. Now select fillet command, apply fillet at each corner of this part, fillet dimension 3.18, select OK. Now select its bottom face, select sketch, normal, select circle command, draw one circle here, right click, select option, smart dimension, diameter of this circle 40 mm, right click, select option, come back from the sketch, features, extruded cut it up to 40 mm, select OK. Again select this face, sketch, normal, select circle command, draw two circles here, right click, select option, smart dimension, outer circle diameter 152.4, inner circle diameter of this circle 139.7, right click, select option, come back from the sketch, extruded cut up to 8 mm, select OK. Now select this face, sketch, normal, select center line, draw one line at the center point of this edge to this edge, right click, select option, select circle, draw one circle here, right click, select option, come back from the sketch, go to hole wizard, select tabbed, standard ANSI, straight pipe threaded hole, size 1/2, 14 NPSM, blind. These are the default values. Select position, 3D sketch, select this point, select OK. Now select this sketch, select hide. Now select this face, sketch, normal, select circle command, draw one circle here, right click, select option, select the center point of this circle and the origin, make vertical, diameter of this circle 12.70, distance from here to the center of this circle is 32 mm. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch, extruded cut, from here select up to next, select OK. Now select this face, sketch, normal, select center rectangle, draw one rectangle here, right click, select option, dimensions of this rectangle 123.73, this side 123.73, sorry 79, this is also 79, 123.79. Right click, select option, click inside the rectangle and make it construction geometry. Select circle command, draw 4 circles at each corner of this rectangle. Smart dimension, diameter of this circle 12.70. Right click, select option, select this circle and all these circles. Select all circles by press and hold control button and then select make equal. Select OK. Our sketch is underdefined. We have to problem this circle, move it from here to this point. Now sketch is fully defined. Come back from the sketch, extruded cut, select through all, select OK. Now select this face, sketch, normal, select convert entities, select all these, select these circles, convert entities. Come back from the sketch, features, extruded boss base feature and extrude it up to 19.05. Select OK. This is the top cover of this pneumatic cylinder. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Explain Cat.